Matereba a turera matire na weki otiga gũkua ũritũ ũrĩa wagĩrĩire wa mĩrigo, kwaga ũguo matũngane na igũtha inene rĩa faini. Mũkana ũyũ ũrutĩtwo nĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa waki wa barabara nene Kenha hĩndĩ ya mũngũrũrio wa kũhĩtana na matereba arĩa makuaga mĩrigo gũkĩra gĩthimi mwena wa Suswa na Athi River. Turera ici kaingĩ ikuaga mĩrigo cierekeire mwena wa Kampala, Kigali, Burundi na kũngĩ.
So we make sure that every vehicle has got weight checks, and because we would be having long queues if we were to weigh each and every truck, Kenha has invested in and leverages on technology to be able to identify vehicles which are overweight and those which are compliant through intelligent electronic systems to be able to clear them as they move. So not every vehicle has to get into the weighbridge station for that. And all our weigh stations, we have got the high-speed weigh in motion technology, which does that.
We are here basically to ensure that all laws are followed. As you understand, the functions of the National Police Service are very well elaborate: maintenance of law and order, apprehension of offenders, and protection of life and property, prevention and detection of crime, and enforcement of all laws and regulations within this country. So we are here to assist Kenha, contextualizing what the functions of the National Police are in ensuring that the maintenance of road is given the seriousness that it deserves.